Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone number is already linked to the Google account. This lets you sign in using a number. Once done, open the Gmail app or go to Mail. Google.com on a browser and tap Sign In. On the entry screen, type your phone number exactly as stored, country code included, then press Next. You do this so Google can match the number to an account and send a verification method rather than relying on remembering an email address. After entering your number, choose how to receive verification: SMS, voice call, or Google prompt on a trusted device. When the 6-digit code arrives, type it into the sign-in field. If you get a prompt, tap Approve. If Google still asks for a password, enter it to complete sign-in. Make sure to allow notifications or SMS access so the code is received promptly. This step ties ownership of the phone number to the account and grants access to the inbox. Once authenticated with your number, Gmail opens to your inbox where you can read, search, and manage mail. Make sure sync is enabled in settings so new messages appear. Adjust notification and sync frequency to suit you. If two-step prompted repeatedly, update recovery options and account settings. If you don't get the verification code, first check Signal, blocked messages, or a spam SMS folder. If problems persist, use Google's account recovery flow or a backup email to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.